Hey YouTube, what's going on? It's been a long time. Finally have some tires and I got a new wheel sponsor. So that was the big news last time. As you can tell, some Kansei wheel boxes, then some Zestino Acrovas. We're here at the wheel clinic. So let's go on in and talk to Zach and everybody. I gotta put a mask on though. Edmonton bylaws. Welcome to the moon. Alright. So, let's go in.
What do you want?
Just come to say hi and get some wheels done.
Well, you parked the wrong way, bud.
Nope. They're in the back doors. But this is Zach. That's Jameson. I know I bugged him a lot, but anyways. Alright, so I'm home from the wheel clinic. I want to thank them again for their continued support for my program. They did some powder coating for me. Powder coated my valve covers and the coil pack brackets to match the turbo housing, so they're all matching purple now, which is so rad. It's called Lollipop Purple from Prismatic Colors. Beautiful, beautiful stuff. Can't get over how nice it is. And here are the wheels. Beautiful Kansei red valve stems wrapped in Zestino Acrova tires. Huge shout out to Zestino as well. They're part of my program again for 2021. They continue to give me great support, really sticky tires, and I can't thank them enough. They're awesome tires. I love them. They wear nice. They produce awesome smoke. And the Gredge that I'm running up front are super grippy, and I never understeer or anything like that, so I've never had that issue. Personally, I noticed that these grip the best up front, so huge shout out to them and Sean Hardam for the continued support. The tires in the rear, I'll be running 255/35 R18 for the rear. That's the Pro 2, now Pro Spec Formula Drift tire size, and then the fronts are 245/35 18s. Rear rims are 9.5 and fronts are 9s. And I'd also like to thank ISR. This is the 2021 sponsorship package they sent me. All spare rear arms and upper control arms adjustable, and some stainless brake clamps. So huge shout out to them. I'm blown away by the support this year. I'm super thankful for everybody and everything they do. I can't thank everybody enough, because if I didn't have their support, I would be hooped. Well, I'd be sitting here with a car not built and hopes and dreams. So thank you to everybody for their continued support and all the support I've got this year and last year, and believing in me, and I'm gonna do the best I can. Gonna place as high as I can and learn this car. Got lots of goodies on the way, lots more parts just waiting. Stuff's showing up slowly. Saving for the transmission still, so that's a big one. That's, like I said, a big cost I'm working towards, and I have a sponsor helping me out soon with that, so I'm just waiting on that. And then I will do some more unpackaging and show all the parts I'm running this year and go from there. And I'll film the block shop next once the engine's done, and once we make some progress I'll talk to Sean, make sure I get the okay, go there, and then get everything filmed. Of course, the furnace has to kick in. Thanks for watching. Like, share, subscribe, do what you do. Take care.